Most businesses already have a website, so people assume that this market is dead or oversaturated. But I've actually found it easier to sell websites to business owners that already have websites. They understand the value, they're already paying for it, and they know that their current site doesn't cut it. The trick isn't convincing them that they need a website. It's to show them what their current website is missing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I approach business owners, how I pitch this upgrade, and what to sell them if they say no to a website. So the first part is explaining how these websites work and how to get this upgrade, because I'm not going to waste your time. We're just going to jump right into it. So the first big thing is knowing the difference between a regular website than an AI-powered website, because there is a difference, and this is how you're properly going to get business owners to pay you month after month. So we're just going to come right into Google. We're going to put in niche and then location. So I just put in Las Vegas and hair salon, and we're going to scroll down and we're just going to pick any of these. We'll just pick this. You can check all the websites, but this is just to show you. By the way, I'm not trying to pick on these people. This is strictly for educational purposes. But as you see, this website is like a bit much. It's just not super clean. It doesn't have AI agents. It's just not a great website. It's not. I mean, the pictures are overly bloated, but the most important part is it's just a brochure. It doesn't have actual lead gen systems inside. So if we look at this, this is not what we like. And you can go and look, and almost every website doesn't have the features I'm about to show you, which is AI features. So this is a website that I built for a salon, and this is what this has. If we come in here, okay, you'll see it has book now buttons, it has automations in the back end. It's clean and sleek. But the most powerful part about these AI websites is the chat widget feature. So if we click this, it essentially enables people to chat via text, SMS, and email back and forth, or just live chat, or lets the website talk to you. So if we click this, watch this.
Hey, you have reached Lumiere Salon. This is Cindy. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing? I can just keep going and have a full conversation. That is the power of these smart AI websites. So if you see here, they don't have that, but also it just is too much. It doesn't look good. So what we want to do is we want to give them these kinds of sites. Now, here's the interesting part. When we're selling to local businesses, let's say, okay, we have two different ways. Number one, we can go in and we can rebuild their website using what's called a VibeCoder, which we can text in and it will just completely redo their website. But if they don't want that, which is the easy approach, I'm going to show you how to do in a sec, we can very simply take the AI agents on one, change them up, and just add them to a website. So we can convert their existing website into a AI website. So either way, we are covered. And you can charge pretty good money for these services. I'm not kidding. Okay, you can get a setup fee, so you get an influx of cash up front, and then you can collect $147, $347, even up to $797 per month for these websites. That way, you get money in the front end, and then that recurring money stacks month after month. That really helps you grow your business. Because without recurring money, you kind of cash flow starved. You can't get ahead. So let's walk through legit going through this process as I would for a business owner. So what we're going to do is we're going to come right in here. We're going to pick the exact website we want. We're going to say, hey, we want these guys. This is the people we looked at. We're going to copy their URL. Okay. And then we're going to come right over to this VibeCoder, and we're just going to paste this right in like this. Right before we're going to say, please take this website, but make it cleaner, more modern, and very visually appealing. Boom. We click enter. It goes through and starts building it out. Damn. Look at that. I texted this. That's all I put. And look at this website. Look how clean this is. This is way better. It's organized. It's SEO optimized, and it is way cleaner. Compare these two. You got this poo-poo site, not that great. And then you have this site. So first off, I mean, it even got sticky header. I mean, this is like a world-class website in seconds. So this is why this is so powerful. And we can even go back and forth with this VibeCoder to say, I want to change this, I want to change that, I want that. So that is essentially the first way we can redo their website. Then from there, we can always add on AI features like the AI agents and chat widgets and forms and whatnot. But like, this is how easy it is to quickly rebuild someone's website and SEO optimize it. Because I'm gonna tell you guys right now, a lot of business owners need new websites. They're not built to convert, okay? So they don't have AI agents, but more importantly, they look terrible and they're not SEO optimized. So they actually are suffering by you not helping them. So that is why you need to come in and use tools like this to solve this problem. Now, I want to let you know right away that this VibeCoder is part of a tool called GoHighLevel. If we come right out, I'm not going to go too far into this right now because I'm going to go into this later. And don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you something. There is a 30-day free trial where if you try that for 30 days and you like it, you can keep for it. It's like $90 a month. It's not too bad. But if you hate it after the 30 days, cancel. You don't have to use it. If you don't like it, cancel. But that's how sure I am that I think you might like it, that you try it out. And if you like it and it works for you, keep it. If not, it doesn't matter. But we'll talk about that more later. And I want to show you the other part of this, which is if they don't want you to rebuild a website, say they don't want you to do this, you need to then give them the AI features okay, to solve the other side of the problems. Because if you want to collect actual money for this process and get the monthly recurring, you're gonna have to solve the AI problems too. A website, I'm sorry, is not good enough to charge up to $347 a month. It's just not. So another thing we do, and this is with HighLevel, this is how we integrate these, is that we need to use AI features. Now, I have a bunch of these already set up that I can give you for free, and chat widgets and smart forms, but this is what you can do very easily. So once you've built your AI agent, or you have it, which again, they're really easy to build, and I have a bunch for free. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I can hook you up very simply. Again, not trying to sell you AI agents. You can come right in here, click get code, copy this code, and paste it on a code editor, which is on the back end of the website. It literally just says code editor. You copy and paste, and this chat widget, okay, the one here on the salon, will pop up on their existing website. So again, we can add in these features that we have on GoHighLevel into any site. So what that means is we can either change their website, redo it, have a complete smart website rehaul, or we can legit convert their existing to a smart. So either way, you are absolutely golden in doing so. And the thing I love about this is you can just go up to business owners, go through this, find websites, redo them using these freaking amazing VibeCode tools, look like a pro overnight, demo them. Literally, I have self-selling demos, but if you guys want to see them, if you suck at sales, which can help you out, you have them demo these AI agents, stuff like this where they can talk to, and immediately from there, they're like, oh my gosh, I need this. You can also give them a free trial. So that's how powerful this is. And that's why I think this is one of the best things to sell right now, is because so many businesses need this right now. They definitely need the AI because they'll make more money from it. It's like you're solving problems they already have, but more importantly, a lot of them need new websites. And again, like I said, this isn't me making this up. You can legitimately charge these kinds of prices for it. What would it mean to you if you could collect $797 per month? That would cover your car payment. It could cover your electricity bill. It could do so many things. And that's why these business models are so important, because there's a lot of people online, oh, you got to get to $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a month. Like, you could very easily just run an AI business model like this, get to $3-4 grand a month and cover a lot of your expenses. And it's not hard to do. Like, you literally saw, I typed in this, and in second, it literally says thought for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Boom. Look what it spit out. That is power. And so many people don't even know this kind of stuff exists. So now that you understand that, how to reach out to business owners, this is probably the next question you have. Very simple. You come in, you pre-build their stuff just like I did, and then you reach out to them a couple different ways, just saying, I have something built for you. I want to show you. I have nothing to sell you. So for example, you can reach out to them via email. You can send them a direct text message, check your opt-in laws. You can call them on the phone. You can walk into their business. You can send them a piece of mail. You can drop something off at their office. You can find them on social media and DM them. You can meet them at a networking event. There's so many different ways you can meet people. By the way, if you have any questions on this, drop a comment down below and I'll hook you up with a tutorial that shows you literally every single way you can possibly reach these people. But that's all you have to do, because this isn't really a sales pitch. It's more of like you showing a product. That's the way I like to think about this. Product showcase as opposed to sales pitch. Because what a lot of people do online is they come up, oh, dude, you got to buy this. You got to buy that. AI. All these people hear about AI all day long. That's all they hear about. No one trusts anyone anymore because everyone just says AI, but no one shows it. That's why you have to show the AI. You have to come into the AI agents like we did on here, demo them so they can see the power. And again, I have more videos on this where I have a self-selling demo that guides them through this process, which basically sells the agents for you almost, which is so handy if you're bad at sales. And if you want that kind of stuff, I'll hook you up in the comments down below for free. But this kind of stuff is where the future is at. Another thing too is you can hook them up with this free app so they can see everything. This is free for you, but you could charge them. It's always free. It's just the GoHighLevel app. And this is really cool because they can get on their app, and on their phone, they're now getting notifications. Oh, you got a new client. Oh, someone talked on the phone. And that way you look better, but also they can control stuff from their phone. It just makes everything cleaner. So that's how this process works in a nutshell. What I want to extend you though, so you can actually get help with this. Again, there's no sales pitch coming. If you want to learn more about these tools, get free AI agents and all this stuff, I have that exclusive 30-day free trial. Not a 14-day free trial, but a 30-day. The website says 14-day. I talked to the team. I got you a 30-day. But on top of that, I want to give you access to my private community for free. So you can talk to people. You can take every training course we have. Like, we literally have pre-built out systems, how to get client sales scripts. Like, we literally have everything, all the hand-holding you can need. But most importantly, we give away 7 live coaching calls every single week that you can attend for free. No one else offers this. You basically just have to use the software and you get access to all of these goodies for free. I'm telling you, you go online, you will not see anyone doing this. You have to pay 10 grand to sometimes get 2 calls. You get 7 with specialized people. So you can talk to me when you want to. You can also message me whenever you want up here. You get calls with help getting clients, calls with help with sales, calls with help getting clients advanced, like running ads. You get calls with how to learn GoHighLevel, calls to get help with GoHighLevel, calls how to set up GoHighLevel systems. You get all of the help you could possibly need, plus GoHighLevel's 24 support. So you have the ultimate hand-holding experience, or if you're more advanced and you want to scale, we have you covered. Again, all of this is free in that 30-day free trial down below. And again, it'll always be free if you're using HighLevel under me. So I recommend you try this. What's the worst that can happen? You make some money. That's it. If you don't like it after 30 days, leave. But that's how sure I am. Like, there's no one else out here that's doing it in a way that I'm doing, where I'm like, yo, I will literally let you try it for free. That's how sure I am. So I think you're going to like this. I really do. But if this interests you, check that out. If you have any comments or questions, drop them in the comments down below. But I'm going to link a video right now that's going to show you kind of how my community works and show you some real people and what they're saying, so you know it's not just me yapping, because I can do that all day. So thank you so much for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.